Welcome, and today we are learning how to reduce an image file size. So by the end of this video, we'll be able to compress this image that is actually 25 megabyte plus to a really small size. So stick around as we get started. Now we'll be needing a website for this to be possible, and it's actually Img2go.com. As you can see here, it's Img2go.com. You can actually check the description to find the link. So check the link in the description. It will take you directly to the compression page, but this is actually the home page of the website. They perform a lot of functions. They have a lot of things to offer. You can create, edit, enhance, convert images instantly with no flaws. They have image upscalers. You can upscale your image with their AI tool. You can also colorize an image still with their AI models. You can remove background, blur faces. They have a lot of things to offer, but just scroll down to discover even more tools, and we need compress image. So this is what we need here. In case by the time you're watching this video, they might have changed their interface. So you want to make sure you actually check out my description so you can get the link directly to the page. All right. So we'll actually click on compress image, and now this is where we need to perform all the function. So go ahead and choose the file you want to compress. I'm actually going with this one. As you can see, it's more than 4,000 pixels and it's 25 megabytes. So go ahead and open. So it's uploading the image we want to compress. Just allow it some time to do its job. So let me quickly take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to this channel if this video has been informative so far. And if I've been a good tutor myself, consider liking this video. This will help it reach out to more viewers. And if you want to stay tuned and stay updated whenever I upload new videos that will surely be helpful to you, make sure you turn on the notification bell. I would really appreciate every support you could render. And if you could do all these three things I just demanded, thank you very much. So let's continue with the video. So now it's done uploading. So we want to go ahead with the process. You got two options here. You can actually select quality, or you go with best quality. Here you get no visual difference. The image remain in the same quality even with a smaller file size. So you can see it's a lossless compression. But in case you'd like a less quality but more compression, which results in a less file size, you can actually reduce the quality here. But remember, we want to maintain the image quality, so we're actually going with best quality. All right, now we'll leave that there. It's PNG. I think I prefer JPEG, but if you love PNG, no problem. But I love JPEG. And when we selected JPEG, we got another option which shows best compression. Now this one produces the smallest file size, but I don't know about the quality. Maybe there's a quality difference or not, but I'm still going with no visual difference since the aim is to compress an image without losing any quality. So let's just go like that. We don't want to change the color of the image, so leave it like that. We'll leave it in the preset. No resizing. We don't want to resize the image, so leave it in the preset. Now go ahead and click on start so we can start the compression. Let's see what result we get. I don't know what we are going to get, but let's see. Okay. All right. So as you can see, from 25 megabyte, we were able to get 2.46 megabyte. Wow. 90% compressed. That is actually amazing. I wasn't expecting that though. So from 25 megabytes, we were able to get 2 megabytes. So we got a image compressed by 90%. Let's go ahead and download it so we can compare the image. All right. Okay, so let's open. Okay. So this is the compressed image and this is it. Whoa, it still has that pixels. Now let's go check the actual one before compression. So as you can see, this is before compression. And this is after compression. So there is still the same quality. All right. That's how you can actually reduce an image file size without losing any quality. So I hope this video actually helps, and if it does, make sure you hit on that subscribe button. If the video was really helpful, don't forget to like and leave a comment saying it was helpful. So if you want to see more videos like this, tell me and I'll surely create a content tailored to your own personal use. All right. So I'm Joseph and I'll see you next time. Peace.